Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I want to show you a new bundle that's becoming available May 1st, and it's called You Are Enough. And this is truly probably one of the most beautiful papers and embellishments that I have ever seen from close to my heart. And there's been a lot of beautiful ones. So if you can see that there is a shine, a foil rose gold shine to some of the stickers. And then we've got the cardstock, which, let me show you the cardstock. Save the papers for last. So you get a foil cardstock and a plain one of our cardstocks. So foil with a beautiful design that, you know, is not going to interfere with anything else with your pictures or the detail on the papers. And then we've got, looks like sapphire with the rose gold. And then we have a little bit different design that are like little irregular blobs. Don't know what else to call it. With this beautiful sangria color. And then I have to see what I'm doing here. This is peach, which the rose gold, the peach is just glorious. And then we've got bluebell, which is our color of the year. So this is a lot of cardstock that comes in this bundle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces of cardstock. Okay. Then we've got these papers, which are to die for. They are, so let me just set this one aside and just kind of go, okay, so here's the flip side. Look at that. It's just magnificent. I have my papers a little mixed up. I must have been going through them over and over again. Okay, this one goes with this. Okay, so here is the flip side to the writing paper. I love that writing. And then we've got this kind of watercolor wash look. Love that. I just love the watercolor stuff. And look at this. My gosh, I feel like I'm diving through a geode. Golly, it's just absolutely beautiful. And here is this little kind of watercolor ombre effect, and this has got the beautiful writing, also ombre. And then we've got, I just can't even believe these papers. I just cannot believe them. Look at this honeycomb in the rose gold, and then you flip it on this side and you look like you're in some kind of a sangria universe. I mean, this looks like the Milky Way going through here. My goodness. I am just completely awestruck. And then you've got this paper that has the swatches of rose gold. Beautiful. And this kind of looks like a denim. And then you've got kind of the same galaxy look in the bluebell background with these butterflies. Okay, now, so those are the papers. Okay, now speaking of butterflies, this is what comes in the bundle. You get these sequins, which are butterfly sequins. And they are 2 different colors, so you can see that there's, you know, the foil, what is that called? Opalescent butterflies that are absolutely gorgeous. I got the Picture My Life cards, which are going to be very handy. And then you get this stamp that says, "You are beautiful, strong, enough, brave, wonderful. I am," you can put those, "you shine, thank you." And we've got little butterfly stamps here and little gems to go with the paper. Okay, and then you get these thin cuts. So you've got the butterfly and the gems and the heart and this wonderful little design here. And then you get, on top of all of that, look at these butterflies. Look at that. So you're getting the outline of the butterfly, and then you can add this kind of detail to the butterflies. I mean, and they're huge. I mean, look at my hand and the size of that butterfly. And then you've got the little butterfly with the detail. So you can make double layers of the butterfly. And this one can actually be, let me see what this looks like. So this looks to me like this could be a triple layer butterfly. So you've got the basic butterfly shape. And then you've got some detail and then more detail. So yeah, that looks like it can totally be a triple layer butterfly. Ay, 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 ay. I mean, my goodness, they have outdone themselves. So when I purchased this, let me see, put this away so I can find these things. You can click on, it says download guide, where you order the bundle. You download the guide and then you can print it out. And this is 16-page guide. So you make one single page layout and then 4 two-page layouts. So you're making 9 pages here, right? 4 times 2 is 8, and then one single page is 9. So this is going to be a lot of layouts. So I'm just going to go through the cuts. Now the cuts are going to be, okay, these are straightforward. Let me come down a little bit. Okay, so obviously these are pretty straightforward. They're just 12-inch cuts by, whatever. But then we're going to do some triangular type, that's not really a triangle, but some different kinds of cutting. And then I've got to do some of the die cuts. And we've got a triangle, a rectangle, 5x10 rectangle turned into 2 triangles. And lots more die cuts. Let's see. And then they're using this shape quite a bit. So it's 4.5 inches wide by 12. But then that is at the very point. And the side then is 3.5 inches. So we're going to go from 6 inches to the 3.5. So I'll show you how to do that in the cutting. And see, we're doing that a lot. And we've got a lot more butterflies to go through. And then we've got this piece this is going to be a background piece. This is in White Daisy. And we're going to die cut these butterflies out of, can you see this? Let me see. Let me come down even more. Okay, so we're going to have to measure at an angle where to put these butterfly die cuts and then run the whole piece through the die cut machine. So this is going to be, I haven't done this before. So that's going to be interesting to do. So we will do that together. And we've got another die cut here. And so this is what that piece is going to look like. Is we're going to have butterflies running through that middle piece there. So that's going to be fun. That's going to be something different for me. You all may have done this, but this is going to be something different for me. So let me come back up. Had to get new lights. My lights were going in and out on me. My poor videos kept on getting flashing lights. It was driving me crazy. I thought it was just a plug that was just halfway plugged in, but as it turns out, the light was going out. So let me show you these Picture My Life cards for You Are Enough. So these are the 3x4s and these are the 4x6s. So once again, with our Picture My Life cards, you get horizontal or vertical. And so it can fit, whichever place, it works in. And then you've got these, that can be the background for something. Could even use them to do a die cut on. Be kind, be true, be you. I need to be more kind. I've been grouchy lately. I have to work on that one. I have to be true because if I lie, you see it on my face. So that goes without saying for me. Okay, you sparkle. And then these wonderful miniature versions of the paper that looks like you're inside of a geode. Put your positive pants on. Yes, it's been hard. But that's what we need to do, is to put your positive pants on. Okay, boss babe. Yeah, well, my husband knows that. You already have what it takes. You are, whoops, hold on. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. You are powerful, brilliant, beautiful, and brave. I love those. Really, this is a really positive kind of, everything about it is positive. Like the sticker sheet, what does the sticker sheet say? It says you are enough. So it says love, dream, create, play, work, create every moment, believe in yourself, today, shine. That's positive. It's just, everything is very positive about it. Okay, 4x6. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, really pretty. Those are beautiful. Self-made. And a nice little watercolory type thing. I love that. That is like my favorite, is when things have the watercolor look to them. Grow and grow and gorgeous, which it's gorgeous. And that reminds me of my school floor in high school. I forget what that's called. I can't remember what that's called. Anyway, it lasts for generations. So generations walk on that floor and it continues. And that's a really good thing. Okay, and here's like this can be a journaling card or whatever, but it'd be a good journaling card. Follow your heart. That's important. You don't want to get to the end of your life and realize, gee, why didn't I do such and such? You really want to be in tune with what you love and try to make it happen for yourself. A glow-getter. And it doesn't have to be your job. It can be a hobby. It can be something you do in addition to a job. You may have a job to support your love. I worked with a girl who was in her job. We both had a similar type job, but I worked because I loved to work. She worked because she loved horses, which of course I love too, but she took it to the full extent. She bought horses rode horses, showed her horses. Now she has a dog that she shows. So she had work to support her hobby. So, you know, however you make it work, you need to make a corner, preferably a good sized corner, of something that you love, so you don't get to the end of your life and go, oh man, shoulda, woulda, coulda, because that's not the way to end your life. Okay. Okay, that was not exact. I mean, I'm trying to be positive here, but you know, you've got to make your life work for you. Okay, stop preaching. Put my cards back. Okay, so that's the little introduction. Now this cutting is going to go on for a while, so I will start on that. But first, I'm taking a bit of a break.